Hi guys, accept warm greetings from my end. We'll look at how to solve linear equations using building blocks. Just a reminder, linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the unknown variable is 1. So for us to use building blocks to solve it, we'll be using a rectangular building block, blue, for positive x, and a square building block of red color for negative 1, a square building block of lemon green for positive 1. Now let's start. The first equation to solve is 2x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 4. Now how do we model it concretely? This is 1x, this is 2x is equal to 4. Positive 4 means 4 green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if I have 4 things, right, to share to 2, if I have 4 to share to 2, how many we each have? If you are to share, you see that each will have 2. 1, 2. So you have here that if you are solving it, our x is equal to 2. Or if you are to use the rule method, 2x is equal to 4. Now, the inverse operation for multiplication is division. You divide both sides. If I divide both sides here by 2, we are going to have x equal to 2. Now, example 2. X plus 2, that's 1x plus 2 is 2, equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. We have modeled that equation. Alright? This is what is on the left hand side. This one is on the right hand side. Now, we know that when we are solving linear equations, what we do is, here we have positive 2. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. What's the opposite of positive 2? The inverse of positive is adding, taking away 2 from both sides. That's negative 2 on both sides. Negative 2, negative 2. Now, we have here 1 positive, 1 green, 1 red. It boils to 0. 1 green, 1 red. That's because positive 1 minus 1 is 0, right? Now here also we have 1 green, 1 red gives 0. 1 green, 1 red, 0. We are left with x is equal to 1. So if it means our answer here, our x here is equal to 1. Or if you are to use the rule method, x plus 2 is equal to 3. What do we do here? What's the opposite of the inverse operation of positive 2? Subtracting 2 from both sides, right? Negative 2 here. Negative 2 here. 2 minus 2, 0. Then x here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Or, another approach, x plus 2 is equal to 3. This is the equality sign here. If you cross the equality sign, positive crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative, which will give us x equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1. So x is equal to 1. That is using the rule method. All the methods will give us 1. Okay, let's look at another example. Here we have x minus 3 equal to 2. X minus 3, this is our x. Minus 3 here means negative 3. We have here 1, 2, 3. Is equal to 2. 2 green, 1, 2. Okay, now, how do we solve this? We have negative 3 here. How do we remove the negative? What's the inverse of negative 3? Okay, inverse of negative 3, as you all see, is positive 3. Alright, so we have here positive 3. We add positive 3 here, positive 3 here. When we add this positive 3 here, we have 3 red, 3 green, which will give us 0. And when we add the positive here, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means our x is equal to 5. Now, if you are to use the rule method, instead x minus 3 is equal to 2. The inverse here of negative 3 is adding 3 to both sides. If you add 3 to both sides, plus 3, 2 plus 3. Negative 3 plus 3, x is equal to 5. Because you are looking for the unknown variable. But when you say x minus 3 is equal to 2, means which number do you subtract? Which number do you put here minus 3 will give you 2? If you substitute 5 minus 3, it will give us 2. Right? Now, we have another example here where the variables are on both sides. The unknowns are on both sides. We have here 2x, means 2 rectangular blocks, plus 1 green here. Then on the right hand side, we have x plus 3 here. Now, we have to solve for the variable x in this case. What do? We have here 2x here, we have 1 here. Now, if you have to solve it, we have to bring the like terms together. If we are bringing the like terms together here, we have here 1x here. To remove x from that side and bring it this way, 1x here. Now, when you do that, here 1x plus 1x minus x gives 0. X minus x gives 0. Now we are left with 1x here and this one here. Since we are trying to isolate our x to be alone, but we have here plus 1x. So how do we remove it? What's the opposite of plus 1? It's negative. I add 1 here and I add 1 red here. When I add 1 red here, what do we have here? This pair gives 0, right? Another pair here, red, green, gives 0. So we are left with x is equal to 2. So this implies our x is equal to 2. That will be the solution to that linear equation with variables on both sides. Now, if we want to use the rule method here, 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3. We collect like terms together. When you collect like terms, it will be 2x. Now we collect like terms here. This positive x here. When it means you are to take away here, you have negative x. And you bring the other like terms, you have 3. Positive goes minus 1. 2x minus x is x. 3 minus 1 gives 2. X is still equal to 2. So either using a concrete approach or the rule method, you still have the same answer. Okay, thank you very much for your keen attention. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified for more videos. Have a great time.